There are great words by Olivia Newton John. We start with I look at my breast cancer as a gift. It made me slow down and realize the important things in life and taught me to not sweat the small stuff.
Breast cancer is the cancer that forms in the cells of the breast. Breast cancer is the leading cause of cancer deaths among women in India and worldwide. It is the number one cancer with an incidence of 26 per 1 lakh women population, and Bangalore is rapidly becoming the breast cancer capital of India. The incidence of breast cancer is increasing in the age group of 30 to 40 years, and breast cancer behaves very aggressively in this age group.
So, there are some symptoms of breast cancer. First symptom is a breast lump or thickening that feel different from surrounding tissues. Second symptom is changes in shape, size or appearance of the breast. Third symptom is changes to the skin over the breast such as dimpling. Fourth symptom is a newly inverted nipple. Fifth symptom is peeling, scaling, crusting of the pigmented area of skin surrounding the nipple or breast skin. And the last symptom is redness or pitting of the skin over your breast like skin of an orange.
Is breast cancer a curable disease?
Yes, it is curable. Now let's see how it can be prevented. First, ask your doctor about breast cancer screening. Second, become familiar with your breast through breast self-exam for breast awareness. Third, limit the amount of alcohol you drink. Fourth, exercise most days of the week. Fifth, limit postmenopausal hormone therapy. Sixth, maintain a healthy weight. Seventh, choose a healthy diet.
Self-breast examination. The breast cancer is one of the most commonest cancer in a woman's body. In India, one woman is diagnosed with a breast cancer every 4 minutes. In India, one woman dies of breast cancer every 13 minutes. Every woman is at risk. The best treatment for a breast cancer is earlier diagnosis itself. The self-breast examination is a simple technique that every woman must know. 7 steps or 15 minutes or every month. The best time to do the self-breast examination is almost 10 days after the periods, as the breasts are less likely to be tender at the time. It should be done every month after the age of 20 years. It should be done even in pregnancy. To start the examination, first find a private, comfortable and well-lit room with a large mirror. So relax, undress and stand in front of the mirror.
Step 1. Stand in front of the mirror with your arms by your waist and observe any changes like change in the size and shape of the breast, any dimpling, thickening, and the wetness of the skin. Look for any change in the size or the position of the nipple. Step 2. Bend slightly forward toward the mirror and again look out for these changes. Step 3. Raise your hand above the place, then behind the head. Press the hands forward and once again observe the changes. Step 4. Lie down on a firm surface or hard bed. Place a folded towel under the right shoulder to feel the right breast with the left hand. Place a folded towel under the left shoulder to feel the left breast with the right hand. Step 5. To palpate the breast, the hand movement should be using the pad of 3 fingers, gliding your fingers over the breast. Do not lift the breast tissue. Cover the entire neck to the bottom of the breast, the midline of the chest to the armpit. Press to feel the entire breast tissue with 3 different pressure, light, medium and deep, to feel the most superficial to the deepest part of the breast up to the chest wall. You could move your hand either up and down, outward and inward, or in circular motion covering the entire breast. Step 6. Feel the armpit area on both sides. Step 7. Sequence the nipple for the discharge, clear milky blood stains or greenish or blackish discharge.
So, October is marked all over the world as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We thought to bust some myths about breast cancer. Myth number 1 is I don't have a family history of breast cancer. I can never get it. But the fact is, most people diagnosed with breast cancer actually have no positive family history. People think that breast cancer is hereditary, but only 5 to 10% of patients are diagnosed with cancer actually having a positive family history. Myth number 2 is I don't drink or I don't smoke. I eat healthy food and exercise well. I don't have to worry about breast cancer. But my dear friends, the fact is all these will reduce the risk of breast cancer, but they do not eliminate the risk. The fact is that the breast cancer is in all cases probably caused by factors that are beyond our control. Myth number 3 is wearing a bra or a particular type of bra can cause breast cancer. But let me tell you, there is no scientific evidence till date that wearing a bra or type of bra increases the risk of breast cancer. The most common myth is consuming too much sugar can cause breast cancer, but it's absolutely untrue. People think that cancer cells feed on sugar, so having a lot of sugar actually will increase the risk of breast cancer, but there is no such scientific evidence.
Now, we have a clip of Satinder Kaur, breast cancer survivor, who talks about how she fought this deadly disease with unwavering faith and determination. She is closely associated with Indian Cancer Society as a volunteer, working towards spreading cancer awareness and helps in organizing cancer screenings through campus.
हेलो, मैं एक कैंसर विजेता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने उस पर विजय पाई है। जी हाँ, मेरा नाम सतिंदर है। मैं सतिंदर कौर कैंसर फाइटर कहलाती हूँ। एक दिन ऐसे ही टीवी देखते हुए मुझे यहाँ फील हुआ कि मेरे यहाँ पर कोई गांठ है, जिसे मैंने दूसरे दिन जाकर मैंने डॉक्टर को दिखाया और अपना इलाज पूरा करवाया। वो कैंसर गांठ थी, वो पॉजिटिव था। हम लोग बहुत डरे, लेकिन फिर भी हमने अपना पूरा ट्रीटमेंट करवाया और उस पर विजय पाई। आज अगर मैंने अच्छी भली चंगी हूँ तो अपनी पूरी फैमिली की सपोर्ट की वजह से। मैं तो ये सोचती हूँ कि हर लेडी को एवरी ईयर अपनी स्क्रीनिंग करवानी चाहिए और हर मंथ माहवारी के 5-6 दिन बाद अपने सेल्फ एग्ज़ामिन करना चाहिए, अपनी ब्रेस्ट की जांच खुद करनी चाहिए। अगर उसमें कुछ भी फ़र्क नज़र आता है, दोनों ब्रेस्ट में एक फ़र्क आता है या उसकी रंग में फ़र्क आ जाता है या उसकी निप्पल अंदर को जा रही है या कुछ भी ऐसा, तो उसे तुरंत डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए। और जो साल में एक बार स्क्रीनिंग जिसमें ब्लड टेस्ट और अपने मेमोग्राफी आते हैं, वो भी ज़रूर करवानी चाहिए। हर लेडीज़ को ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। और इसी के साथ मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि इंडिया के हर लेडी का जांच करवाना इतना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये बीमारी बहुत बुरी तरह से फैल रही है। इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है। आप अपनी पूरी जांच करवाएं और स्वस्थ रहें ताकि हम इस कैंसर पर विजय पा सकें।